then these are mostly samples that need to be completely sorted. Those are some swatches that I took down for probably like 3 months ago, 2 months ago, and they're still sitting there. This is a baby gift that I have to finish, but I have to admit have little or no enthusiasm for anymore. And there's my props for Pilates, and I bought myself this nice felt bucket after basket that I was using disintegrated. And this is my standing desk. Here's a piece that I got put aside, and now I added this piece onto the bottom. I had to make, there's 2 pieces that get added on, and I had to make sure that they fit. So I had put it onto waste yarn and checked the length after everything was blocked, and then ripped out a few rows and put that on. This is a labeling project. I have all these notebooks, which I'll show you shortly, and so I'm labeling those. And this is a project which I can't show you right now. Who knows when I did this? I know what pattern it's from, but Formo fingering, which I love. I always have something that I'm doing gauge on, so that this, where I record the gauge, goes with this, and it's laying here because I need to write the blocked gauge down. So that's kind of what I usually do over here. And then because I have the window, I often do photographs and videos. This is just so that yarn is just what I use with my dress form and marking things. So just pull things out of there, business cards, favorite pencils, other little treasures that I might need to put my hands on. And then this is the rag I've been using to clean up. We just move that. So knitting needles, other things, some things from a calendar I pulled out.